working with Print Organizer, it's always easier to use a custom level. I'm going to go to Level Manager. I'm going to pin this. We're going to right click on Detailer Notes Note Block, copy, and then paste it back in. I'm going to rename this to be Print. I'm going to select in the drawing. Then I'm going to unpin the flyout. Next, I'm going to change my active level to the print level. I'm then going to place rectangles on all 4 title blocks. I want to do 1, then 2, 1, 2. Now for 3 and 4, I'm going to do these out of order because Print Organizer uses the order they were placed in to determine the order they print in. I'm going to cancel placement. I'm going to go to File, Print, Print Organizer. Within the Tools window, I'm going to go to Define Print Style, select New. I'm going to rename this to be the level name, which is Print. I'm going to change the common setting. I'm going to change the printer driver to PDF. Then I'm going to go back to DG and DWG settings. From here, we're going to go to the Fence tab, where we do Define from Shape. Now we're going to put our level name in, and we're going to create one for each matching shape. Once we have that, select OK. Change to the Main tab. Set our paper size. ArcD is going to be, at least for the example, what we're using. We're going to set our size scale to maximize. And then we are going to save and close this dialog. Now we go to Main Print Organizer window. We're going to say File, Add Active File to Set. It is worth noting that you can add a file to Print Organizer that you are not actively in. Now we're going to go to our print style name, browse, select print, hit OK. Once it processes, it will load in all 4 title blocks. We can use the preview button to see that 3 and 4 are out of order. To change this, all we have to do is we can close Print Organizer, come back to the main window, delete the borders off of 3 and 4, place them in the correct order now with 3 and then 4. Go back to File, Print, Print Organizer, set File, add active files to set, select our print style name again, and hit OK. What I've shown so far is to use and add shape borders to existing title blocks. Conversely, if you need to add title blocks to a new drawing, what you can do is just copy them. So these 3 and 4 already have the borders on them. So I'm just going to move them, update the numbers to 5 and 6, and then go back into Print Organizer. So go to Print, Print Organizer, File, add active file to set, by print style, hit OK. Now, as you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. In a new drawing, you can just place the border and the title block and copy it through, or you can easily add borders to existing title blocks to update it to make it batch print compatible.